In today's video, I am going to teach you how to fix audio or video call issues in Telegram. If your microphone isn't being picked up, your camera won't turn on, or you can't hear the other person. Don't worry, by the end of this walkthrough I'll know how to diagnose and resolve the most common causes. We'll focus on 4 essentials: selecting the correct input and output devices inside Telegram, updating or reinstalling the app when needed, clearing cache to remove slowdowns, and confirming your network is stable. Let's start inside Telegram. Open Settings, then look for the Call Device options. Click Speakers and Camera. And make sure the microphone, speakers, and camera you actually use are selected. After plugging in new gear like Bluetooth earbuds, USB headsets, or a webcam, your system can switch defaults, but Telegram may still point to an old device. Manually pick the exact mic and speaker instead of relying on default. If you don't hear sound, try switching to a different speaker option and test again. For the camera, confirm the correct webcam is chosen and that a live preview appears. If you change devices during a call, end the call, reselect your hardware, and redeal so Telegram reconnects cleanly. Next, update Telegram. Bug fixes and call improvements land frequently, so getting the latest version is often all it takes. Download the current release from the official Telegram website, or update through your app store. If problems persist, do a clean reinstall, uninstall Telegram. Restart your device to fully clear any lingering files, then reinstall from the official source. Your cloud chats stay intact, but you may need to re-download media locally. This fresh install replaces any corrupted components that could be disrupting calls. Now, clear the cache. In Telegram, go to Settings, then Advanced. Then Manage Local Storage. Clear the cache to remove temporary files, thumbnails, and outdated data that can bog down performance. This does not delete your cloud messages. After clearing, it can help to restart the app so everything reloads with a clean slate. Finally, verify your network. Voice and video calls need a steady connection. If Wi-Fi is spotty, move closer to the router or switch to a wired Ethernet connection for more stability. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi and Ethernet to see which is more reliable. Pause large downloads and streaming in the background so Telegram has the bandwidth it needs. If you change networks mid-call, hang up and call again to establish a fresh, stable route. Follow these steps and you should notice immediate improvements. Thanks for watching.